First, the top news headlines. China death toll rises to 2,118 with cases at 74,576. And Arunachal Pradesh celebrates 34th anniversary of Statehood Day. A very good afternoon. Welcome to Times of Manipur. I'm ALBINA RIAMEI. You're watching the 1 p.m. news. Let's get the news rolling. Coronavirus claimed the lives of 2 passengers from the Diamond Princess today, according to a report, marking the first confirmed cruise ship deaths. According to media reports, a total of 74,576 infections have been recorded in mainland China, most of them in Hubei province and its capital Wuhan, the epicenter of the outbreak. 2 people have died in Iran after testing positive for the new coronavirus, and passengers began leaving the quarantine Diamond Princess cruise ship. The death toll from the coronavirus epidemic in China has climbed to 2,118 with the death of 114 more people, while the overall confirmed cases increased to 74,576 according to media reports. Meanwhile, Chinese leader Xi Jinping is striking an increasingly confident note that the country can control the coronavirus outbreak and manage the economic and social fallout, as some Chinese health experts predict a peak in infections by the end of the month. Chinese leaders eager to kickstart economic activity have dismantled some highway checkpoints while businesses have begun to reopen. Arunachal Pradesh is observing the 34th anniversary of Statehood Day at IG Park, Itanagar today. Home Minister Amit Shah and Donor Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh are attending the statehood function. Arunachal Pradesh Governor, retired Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, Chief Minister Pema Khandu, and Union Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju are also participating in the program. The Union Home Minister will also lay the foundation stone of the new headquarters of the Arunachal Pradesh Police. Shah will also launch the Arunachal Pradesh Industrial and Investment Policy 2020 and inaugurate the Joram Koloryang Road being constructed by the Border Roads Organization. It may be mentioned that Arunachal Pradesh became a full-fledged state on February 20, 1987. Till 1972, it was known as the Northeast Frontier Agency. It gained the Union Territory status on January 20, 1972 and was renamed as Arunachal Pradesh. Daikin Solution Plaza, a new showroom of world's leading air conditioning company Daikin AC, was inaugurated today at Ghari Awang Laikai in Imphal West. Director and Senior Vice President Operations East and North of Daikin Air Conditioning India Private Limited, Kuldeepak Birmani, Chief Engineer, PWD Manipur, and Noren Singh, retired Chief Engineer, PWD, Th. Joy Kumar Singh, Managing Director of Manipur Industrial Development Corporation Limited, S.I. Sharma, and Chairman and Regional Director of the company, Kunal Basu, were present at the function. A newly constructed community hall at Khongampat Mayai Laikai was inaugurated today. Commandant of 15 Assam Rifles, Manipuri Colonel Prakshit Dahiya, Potsangbam Jila Parishad member, Pradhan, and members of Khongampat Gram Panchayat attended the inaugural function. The office was constructed under the Assam Rifles Military Civic Action Program. As a part of the ongoing anti-poppy Plantation drive in Tengnoupal district, a combined team of Tengnoupal district police, narcotics and affairs of border and 8 Manipur rifles yesterday destroyed around 47 acres of illegal poppy plantation at Gomi Hill range under Machi police station. Tengnoupal district superintendent of police Th. Bikramjit and superintendent of police NAB W. Basu led the drive. Under the sponsorship of Sangeet Natak New Academy, New Delhi, the Manipuri Literary and Cultural Forum Tripura organized Nupi Khubak Isai Festival yesterday at Tarau Meitei Mandap, Agartala. Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy Imphal Director L. Upendra Sharma and Manipuri Literary and Cultural Forum Tripura President Ningombam Bir Singh shared the dice during the event. Renowned Manipuri writer and social activist A.C. Netrazit was felicitated on the occasion, where gifts were also presented to 12 young Kubak Ishai singers. Now we have a short commercial break.
Lions Gym Health and Fitness Competition kayada mana kaya fanglakraba well qualified trainers singi makhada hangdokchaba khutlai matik chana leiraba amadi nupa nupi punna sanaminaba yaraba gym ne. Admission fee rupees 500 only, monthly fee rupees 500 only, 1 year rupees 4,500, 6 months rupees 2,400, 3 months rupees 1,300. February thagi oinadi admission fee logjaroi. Pollution free location oiraba amadi tha ahum khudingi free health checkup ki khudong chabu pijari. Ngasimag lengsin biro Lions Gym Health and Fitness Kwakaithel Haino Khongnembi Pukri Mapal. Contact number 7005687478.
Welcome back. Mizoram Chief Minister Jora Thanga yesterday presented a surplus annual budget for the fiscal 2020-2021 amounting to rupees 10,081.01 crore. The budget laid special emphasis on implementation of government's flagship program, Socio-Economic Development Policy. He also presented supplementary demands for grants for the fiscal 2019-2020 amounting to rupees 3,393.13 crore. Presenting the annual budget and supplementary demands, Joram Thanga, who also holds finance portfolio, said he was not in a position to present most desirable budget as the state share in post-devolution revenue deficit grant was considerably reduced after the 15th Finance Commission recommended 14 states to get similar benefit of the grant and that the center reduced budgetary transfer by a considerable amount. He said the 2020-2021 annual budget is estimated to have a revenue surplus to the tune of rupees 763.11 crore, which will create some space for capital investment. At least 20 people were killed and several injured in a major accident in Tamil Nadu's Coimbatore early Thursday morning after a Kerala State Road Transport Corporation bus collided with a container truck. As per reports, the bus was on its way to Kerala Ernakulam from Karnataka's Bangalore. The Karnataka State Road Transport Corporation PRO said both the driver and conductor were among those killed in the accident. According to sources, the truck driver is absconding while police have launched a hunt to look for him. The state-run Volvo bus was on its way to Bangalore from Ernakulam when it met with an accident. The bus hit the truck near Avinashi town of Tirupur district, killing many of the passengers. The Supreme Court today dismissed a curative petition filed by an association of the victims of the 1997 Upar cinema fire tragedy case, sparing the Ansal brothers further jail term. As per media reports, a three-judge bench comprising Chief Justice S.A. Bobde and Justices N.B. Ramana and Arun Mishra considered the curative plea by the association for victims of Upar tragedy in chamber and dismissed it. On February 9, 2017, the Apex Court had, by a 2:1 majority verdict, given relief to 78-year-old Sushil Ansal, considering his advanced age-related complications, by awarding him the jail term which he had already served. It had, however, asked his younger sibling Gopal Anshal to serve the remaining one-year jail term in the case. The AVUT, through its president Neelam Krishna Murthy, had sought reconsideration of the verdict by filing the curative plea. The apex court had in August 2015 allowed the answers to walk free and asked them to pay a fine of 30 crore each. A Delhi court today granted time till May 4 to the CBI and Enforcement Directorate to complete probe in the Aircel Maxis matter against former Union Minister P. Chidambaram and his son Karti. According to media reports, the Enforcement Directorate told Special Judge Ajay Kumar Kuhar that letters rogatory have been sent to 4 countries and their response were awaited in connection with the case. The CBI and the ED had alleged that P. Chidambaram, as finance minister during the United Progressive Alliance rule, granted approval to the deal beyond his capacity, benefiting certain persons, and received bribery. Now again we have another short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Marks Time Classes. Chahi khudingi leptana topper puthokliba CBSE gi amatangairaba coaching center. Well experienced teaching faculty. Akhanaba subject opt tawbagi khudong chaba piri. Batch amada 15 students agi hena logjade. Admission form thazare. Form pishin bagi aroiba matam February 10. Akupa marol gidamak lengsun biraksi Marks Time Classes. Wangkai mahubom lampak. Phone number 9436288300 natraga 7005268735.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna Pung Kunmari Chupna Miyam gi Seba Tawzari. Ambulance Service Asina Miyam the Pizariba Service Singdi Yumdagi Hospital da Pukhatpa Hospital dagi Yumda Puthaba Hospital Amadagi Hospital Amada Puba Yum Thang Nariba State Singda Anaba Sing Puba Amadi Loba Luinana India gi Mafam Khudimakta Chatpa Yaraba Air Ambulance ki Service Asina Chingbani. Masida natana lambigi accidenta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyamgi mateng pangjari adom sunga simak sep takshin biu aikhoi contact number 9205987988 natraga play store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
Admission open. The Knowledge Homeboarding cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020. And foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling. For details, please contact the Knowledge Homeboarding cum Coaching Center, Hatta New Chekon Road.
Welcome back. 6 pilgrims from Nepal died in a road accident near Omaldur on the Salem-Bangalore National Highway during the early hours today. About 18 persons are undergoing treatment at Government Mohan Kumara Mangalam Medical College Hospital. According to media reports, a group of pilgrims from Nepal who were traveling towards Bangalore after offering prayers at Kanyakumari had planned to park their minibus and take rest at a temple in Naripalam on the Salem-Bangalore National Highway. Around midnight, while the minibus was taking a U-turn, a private omnibus from Bangalore crashed into the minibus. Amarnath Chowdhury, one of the pilgrims, said that they were a group of 34 persons, all from Sunsari district in Nepal, on an India pilgrimage tour, and they came to the country on February 6 last for the 35-day tour. A gunman suspected of shooting 9 people dead at 2 shisha bars in a southwestern German city last night has been found dead at his home, according to police reports. As per reports, another body was discovered at the home of the man in Hanau, a city east of the financial hub of Frankfurt, where the shootings happened. Police raised the death toll to 9 after one person succumbed to injuries. Their information suggested the gunman had committed suicide at his home after fleeing in a dark car, but the motive for the attacks is unclear, reports added. Now we have the sports news. The Pakistan Cricket Board PCB today suspended Umar Akmal with immediate effect pending an anti-corruption investigation against the batsman, as per a report. The PCB did not get into the specifics of the breach committed by Akmal. The 29-year-old, who last played for Pakistan in October, has featured in 16 tests, 121 ODIs and 84 T20s. Manchester City cruised to a 2-0 win over West Ham yesterday as Pep Guardiola's side returned to action for the first time following the club's shock 2-year ban from European competitions. Goals from Rodri and Kevin De Bruyne lifted City's spirit as they cemented their hold on second place in the Premier League. The Champions League and Europa League suspension for alleged financial fair play regulations drew a furious response over the weekend from City supporters who have long believed UEFA hold an agenda against their Abu Dhabi-owned club. Now we have the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express projects to operationalize AEP on in full swing, says Chief Minister. Centre seeks press note to remove Manipur Vice Chancellor over irregularities. Question papers for Class 11 found leak. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur cancels, reschedules remaining exams. CCPU private schools condemn. The People's Chronicle. After question leak, Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur SELP's Class 11 exam. Schools must submit all sealed question packs to Council by February 24th, says Dr. L. Mahendra Singh. Student bodies demand punitive action. Centre seeks press note to remove AP Pandey. 6 demands passed after opposition walkout. Centre urged to broaden cross-border trade, says Chief Minister Biren. Imphal Free Press. Flows in Anganwadi food supply. Opposition members walk out in protest. Exams leak question papers flood social media. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur reschedules 11 exams.
Before we wrap up, let's look at the top news headlines once again. China death toll rises to 2,118 with cases at 74,576. And Arunachal Pradesh celebrates 34th anniversary of Statehood Day. And with that, it's a wrap for this afternoon news edition. Thank you for joining us. Good time ahead.